Do you hear the cows? That's the cows. They've been mooing endlessly. That is freaking nuts. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, starting to move. I feel terrible for them, to be honest. Alright, here we go. The deck is slippy, I need to be careful. Okay, touchdown. Visor down. Okay, we just need to watch the lines. So it should be like this until we get off the boat, off the ramp, and then we drive on the right. Oh Jesus. Okay, I'm just following the traffic now, so I'm assuming there's gonna be people to wave me and stuff like that. Oh, there's a warship. Sweet. It's a missile boat, isn't it? Okay, so this queue looks like it's snaking around, so it's going that way and then it's going back around. God, my glasses are fogging up, something serious. Fog in this area is bad. Yeah, I have to remember for roundabouts as well. Roundabouts go counterclockwise. Hiya. Passport? There we go. Do you want to check my... Thank you very much. Have a good day. Alright, we are out of there. It's nice that they still deal in kilometers here. Makes things easier for me. Oh, the nerves are setting in. Alright, here we go. Oh Jesus. Okay. So we're looking that way, that's fine. Anybody coming out? The answer is no. Alright, we're doing it. And it's a roundabout is my first one. Jesus Christ. I need to change. Yeah, I need to change over here. So we're turning. We're doing that. And we're off. Holy shit. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. But it's easy, actually. I just need to stay focused. Keep the lines on my left. Just stay focused, David. Stay focused. Oh, it feels weird having the traffic coming at me this way. Although, thankfully, I've watched so many videos of bikers in the US and stuff like that, that I'm already used to this. So, we're going this way. Oh, this feels weird. Holy shit. Okay, we're fine. We're good. We're all good. Everything's good. So, I'm just gonna park up for a minute. So, Let's park up and have a look. Oh, that's nice. 3-star camping. It's got facilities as well. Yeah, do you know that? We'll go for that. Clairefontaine is where I'm going. Okay. Oh, look at that architecture. I've seen architecture like that in documentaries about World War II. That is sweet. Seriously, I'm already comfortable. And you know what? I'm not rushing. I'm just taking this a minute at a time, an hour at a time, a day at a time. This is pretty outstanding. That was my first set of traffic lights. That's something I'll need to sort out as well. The traffic lights were very close to the line, so I need to park further back from the line than I do in Dublin. Otherwise I can't see the lights, because the lights weren't on the opposite side of the junction either. There was only one set of lights. I wonder if that's a constant or just something with small villages. We're going on the back roads now, boys. Here we go. So this is where I really need to pay attention, because there's no lines. I just need to be a smart boy. Look at that castle. It's definitely a castle, right? What a beautiful place. This place is amazing. I mean, look at this bridge. This place is just... oh, it just blows the mind. I didn't know France was like this. Like, it feels like Ireland and the UK, but better. I don't know how else to say it. This place is clean. Like, there's nothing, I don't see a lick of rubbish around. Absolutely stunning. I'm in love with this place already. I am definitely going to be enjoying my 2 weeks. And I haven't encountered a single car either. And with that, my stomach is rumbling like hell. Alright, I need to stop going, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and get some food. Okay, I'm possibly starting to see why cars probably wouldn't want to come down here. Okay, this looks like civilization. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Like a little shed like that just tucked away. You don't see that sort of stuff in Ireland, really. Oh man, I love this place. Okay, this wants me to go further that way, but I really want a place to eat. Alright, where are you bringing me, Calimodo? Doesn't feel like I've made much progress. I think I've just spent the last few kilometers snaking around a hill. So we're leaving Cherbourg on Contin now, okay. So apparently there's 2 villages down this way, which is what we want. So we're going that way. Wait, did I already pass this river? I did, didn't I? Fucking knew it. It just took me in a full fucking circle. I'm supposed to go this way. I think I just saw the giant hill and I said nope. But I was supposed to go up the giant hill. Alright, we're on the right track now. Finally. Come on, give me one of those French bistro cafe things with home baked bread, a nice cup of tea. Let's do it. Oh look, I was wondering when I get to them. The infamous French hedgerows. I mean, we have hedgerows in Ireland as well, but the French ones are infamous. Like where you'd have, back in World War II, you'd have tanks busting through the hedgerows, and you'd have soldiers trying to just weave their way through them silently as possible. I have not passed a single business since I started. It's bizarre. I've seen nothing but houses. Okay, so it's just past 4 o'clock and I'm in the town of Le Puce, I think it's called. I might have butchered the pronunciation, but it's a very sleepy town, as you can see. So it's nice and quiet, nice and tranquil. But I'm just hanging out now, and I've gotten a pizza slice and a cake that I'm going to be eating now. So that's my lunch, because I went hours without eating now at this point. It was an enjoyable ride, to be honest, aside from the fact that I went around in circles for 2 kilometers. The GoPro ran out of power. I decided I'm not going to bother recording the rest of it because I was just taking a casual ride to this town. This was supposed to be just a pass-through point as I was heading to the campground, but I decided that I still don't feel the best, and I decided to get a hotel. So I found a cheap hotel in this town, and I've booked that for tonight, so I'll be able to check in about an hour's time. Absolutely beautiful church, look at that. That's really old. I can tell that's hundreds and hundreds of years old, but I want to explore that as well. Beautiful. But this town is it's very sleepy, very quiet, very tranquil. So I'm looking forward to having a look. Oh God, I needed this. It's cold, but still, it's good. So my translator app is saying, in memory of the brave flyers of American plane 1177, 12th of November 1942, a group of resistance fighters. Right, so I'm checking into my hotel. It's got all the basic amenities I was looking for now, to be honest. It's got my sink, it's got my shower. It's a lovely room, actually. It's really, really nice. And I'm assuming this is my toilet, which it is, and I like the decorations. But yeah, this will do me down to the ground for the night. I just feel shattered and I still feel sick, so I'm gonna get some shopping done, and then I'm just gonna relax for the evening, settle down. Tomorrow then is all campsites. So I'm starting to realize that towns around France are dead on the weekends. So if you've ever been to Germany on a Sunday, for example, there's nothing open. But it seems France has that as well, because this town is literally, everything's closed except for a couple of shops where you get your tea, coffee and your basics. Everything else is nothing, and there's almost nobody around. That said, there's been a lot of motorcyclists and mopeds around making all sorts of noises. Like, it reminds me of Dublin in a lot of ways, but wasn't expecting it in this part of France. I literally just say that now. Even the freaking Lidl is closed until Monday. What the hell is with mainland Europe and Sundays? People still need to buy groceries on Sundays. Well, nothing's open on a Sunday apparently, so I couldn't actually buy anything. I had to go to a kebab shop just to get a drink. So I'm pretty much done for the night. I'm just going to settle in, get sorted, and then day 2 is when things will really begin. So, peace.